Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to our channel if you are new. My name is Mel and today I'm going to be giving you a in-depth tutorial on how to press on your nails. We're going to be going in-depth on everything from prep to finishing touches, so stay tuned. So before I did anything, I decided to trim down my nails. Key thing is not to trim them down too much. Do not do that because you mainly don't want to get any of the nail glue on your skin. It's really painful and it's in your bloodstream through your skin. Afterwards, I decided to use a cuticle pusher and gently push my cuticles back to create more nail base for the nails to stick to. On our last video, we were getting tons and tons of questions on how to press on nails in order to get them to last 2 to 3 weeks. Also, how to make press-on nails look more natural and so much more. So I hope this video clears up all the confusion. For those of you who do not know, I do run my own personal press-on nail business that you can shop when you click the link in our description. On our shop, we sell a mixture of gel press-on nails and acrylic press-on nails. We sell a variety of designs for you to choose from to fit any occasion. I'm talking graduation, prom, date nights. Just mainly you want to have something to treat yourself at. We got it all, okay? We got it all. Especially our new spring collection that's going to be coming out April 11th, so be sure to set your reminders, follow us on Instagram, and favorite our shop in order to stay updated with any sales, anything that's going on. I did go ahead and use a ball diamond drill bit to remove moisture around my cuticle area. This is actually my first time addressing my cuticles. I've never done nothing to my cuticles before. And of course, drill bits are not necessary. You can do the same amount of work that I'm doing and get in those hard to reach spots with the tools that are in your order once you shop with us. So go ahead and click that link. And here I'm just using different tools to do the same thing. Also, do not overfile your nails. All we're doing is removing the moisture and the natural oils that your nails produce so the adhesive that you choose can last a lot longer. I did went ahead and snipped off my cuticles, this excess skin. I would definitely use this tool if you know what you're doing with it. I only cut a little bit off and that's perfectly fine. After doing the intricate work, I went ahead and used a sanding bit just to file away any moisture across the nail plate. Again, I didn't go too crazy. All we're doing is removing moisture. You really don't need to overdo it. I'm talking filing over an area multiple times. You don't need to do all that. I went back and forth between filing the nail plate and going over the intricate places so that my nail plate can be fresh and dry. I spent so much time on prep just to make sure that my nails were going to last as long as possible. There's times where I've done photo shoots and I've used the nail sticker adhesive that's available in our goodie bags. And I've done the same process of prepping, and adhesive stickers were actually tough to get off. Mind you, the nail adhesive stickers are only for temporary use. They're not for long time wear like nail glue is. After I did my prep work, I went ahead with the alcohol pad and wiped down the plates. I was so off it that I kept flipping back and forth between pushing my cuticles back. Like, I was doing all this unnecessary stuff. Before I start gluing, I also filed the inside of the press-on nails to ensure dryness as well. That way the only thing that's between my real nail and the fake nail is nail glue. There's no moisture. I also filed away some putty that I used in order to stick the press-on nail while I'm making them onto the nail display stand. I went ahead and filed around the edges and lightly filed the inside. Onto the gluing. Now, I did use the glue that's provided in your order. Go shop. I did add a dime size amount. I made sure not to have the glue running along the sides of my nail, again avoiding to getting it on my skin. I actually just placed the press-on nail on from cuticle to tip. I find that that's very important to minimize air bubbles, which could be most likely the reason why your press-on nails will be popping off. Stuff like air bubbles and stuff is hard to see, especially with that acrylic base. I think air bubbles will be more clear to see if you had like a jelly foundation where you can see through the nail. We do offer both of those options in our nail shop, but the press-on nails that we're applying is a part of our acrylic only line that's now available. When applying, I did apply enough glue to cover the nail plate, because once I press on these nails, the glue is going to move and migrate as it's being pressed down. I usually apply the glue that you'll see on the screen. That's my holy grail. I never go nowhere without it. It gives extra hold, and that extra hold does not lie. But inside your press-on order, I do use this glue too. I personally can't tell you numerous times where I had to apply nails in a car and use this glue 5 minutes or less to press on my nails before an event, and this has held me down. Another thing I would recommend you look into while you're shopping for press-on nails is see if the acrylic base matches / looks more natural to you. For me, I opt for more pinkish nudes instead of some like brownish tan type of colors. For my natural nails, they're more on the pink, light pink spectrum. So I often make nails or have nail bases when I'm doing French tips or ombres to naturally fit that on me. Another reason as to why your press-ons could possibly be popping off is that your nails are not the right size. For our shop, we do offer a sizing sample kit that gives you all 10 sizes for you to press on your nail to see what naturally fits. Our sizes do range from 0 to 10. Sometimes we have 0 to 11 options. And what I mean by naturally fits, the nail doesn't have to bend in order to cover the full nail plate, is that you don't actually have to press hard to get the side walls of the fake nail to match up with your own side walls on your real nail. So if your thumb is like a 2, a 0 would overlap your side walls. That means it's too big. A 3 or a 4 wouldn't even meet your side walls without you having to apply extra pressure. You shouldn't have to do that. That means it's too small. You can find our sample sizing kit, the direct link in our description. And you can get even more tips like these all in the palm of your hand when you sign up in the link in our bio. We'll also be dropping exclusive links to shop and get first dibs on our newest collections, as well as exclusive discount codes, opportunities to get free goodie bags, and so much more. The one challenge that I always faced with applying press-ons is with my index fingers. I always flip my finger over after I press on the nail to make sure it's straight and not crooked. Help with the overall appearance of my press-on nails is that I apply cuticle oil. The cuticle oil that's included in the goodie bags is filled with vitamin E, which prevents cracked cuticles and dry skin around the nail beds, and also strengthens nails that are brittle and easy to crack, which is a plus for aftercare treatment after you take your nails off. Also, do not use your nails for tools. I'm talking about opening a can of pop, getting your cards out the ATMs, or buttoning up your shirts. This puts pressure on your real nails, foundation of what your press-on nails are sticking to. Now for me, when I need to open a quick can of pop, I use some Carmex or some lip gloss. Especially for my girls who love a 6-piece combo with extra MAC sauce, you need to invest in the nail brush that's included in our goodie bags to get right underneath your nails to get rid of all that gunk and dirt. I know I keep mentioning these goodie bags, but they're honestly the GOAT for the go nail care, and they're small enough to fit in your purse to apply press-on nails whenever you want to, or take them off whenever you want to. The last tip I'll give you is how to deal with nail charms falling off. I can't sit up here and lie in front and say that our charms don't fall off, especially these popular ones. And I just realized that I wasn't the only one dealing with that issue. We can also teach you how to apply them on with the tools that we give you.
So a couple days ago, I got this review. She was talking about how her bows had popped off while wearing them, and this gave me a great idea to show you guys how to reapply them using the tools from the kit.
Serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we hit a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation.